Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable different overlays in the FlightAware flight tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then here look for the overlay section. And as you can see, there are three overlays that you can add: weather, airports, and flight tracks. So just click on the one that you want to use. You can use all of them if you want to. And it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.